Green tea, anyone? Yes, it becomes a popular choice among many of us. From beverages to ice creams to snacks to recipes, many love its taste. From culinary delights, also available in supplements for health benefits. Green tea is derived from the leaves of the plant Camellia sinensis. The tea leaves, once harvested, are quickly heated by pan firing or steaming and dried to prevent too much oxidation from occurring that would turn the green leaves brown and alter their fresh picked flavor. Why green tea extract? Beyond that rich green color and classic bitter taste comes promising benefits in weight management. Researchers think that the health properties of green tea are mostly due to polyphenols which have potent antioxidant potential. The polyphenols in green tea also give it a somewhat bitter flavor. Among the green tea polyphenols, EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, is the most active and most studied polyphenol compounds in a green tea. So, you have powerful compounds in a cup of green tea. Epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, is probably best known for its role as the major active component in green tea. In fact, the numerous health benefits associated with green tea are typically credited to its EGCG content. Though EGCG is predominantly found in green tea, other sources include green tea, white tea, oolong and black tea. You also find it in fruits like cranberries, strawberries, blackberries, kiwis, cherries, pears, peaches, apples and avocados. And not forgetting nuts like pecans, pistachios and hazelnuts. I think I'm getting hungry. Let's continue, guys. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Clinical studies found when along with the reduced calorie diet and exercise program, EGCG from green tea extract may help to decrease total body weight, help to maintain a healthy waistline. EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, on weight management. EGCG from green tea extract may help to support increased energy expenditure and may specifically target problematic belly fat. Many of us love to hear this, right? But EGCG has a certain limitation. Limitation of EGCG is that it shows reduced ability to pass across the lipid-friendly cell membrane due to poor lipid solubility. Phytosome technology makes it possible. What makes Green Select phytosome technology important? We get beneficial phytonutrients from green tea. Phytonutrients from green tea include polyphenols like EGCG. Has a wide range of health benefits including weight management. However, this polyphenol is not chemically stable, therefore not well absorbed by the body. This limitation reduces the potential health benefits of the EGCG found in green tea. For example, even if an individual is ingesting a higher dosage, it does not necessarily indicate the body is absorbing all that EGCG for benefits. To help overcome this limitation, Nutrilite has researched the Green Select phytosome technology. Now let me tell you a little bit about these phytosomes. What are phytosomes? They are a natural complex which binds the polyphenols such as EGCG all together in order to stabilize and help deliver them into the body more effectively. What is Green Select phytosome? Green Select phytosome, GSP, is a green tea extract devoid of caffeine and formulated in lecithin to improve the absorption of the EGCG. What is the Green Select phytosome technology? The Green Select phytosome technology increases the absorption and bioavailability of this beneficial polyphenol such as EGCG, thereby allowing the body to obtain the maximum benefit. Please note that increasing the bioavailability of the EGCG is extremely important, as this signifies more of the ECGC will reach the body's bloodstream, where the body can then harness the benefits. Without this increased bioavailability, much of the EGCG will not be absorbed into the bloodstream and could be just flushed out from the system without maximum impact. Now, let's watch a video.
A key component in green tea extract is a water-soluble polyphenol known simply as EGCG. EGCG is a source of antioxidants and is associated with weight management. But EGCG taken orally is not absorbed well by the body through the intestine. Since EGCG is water-soluble, it has difficulty crossing the membranes of intestinal cells. So, unabsorbed, EGCG in green tea is eliminated from the body, not allowing any health benefits to be realized. Phytosome technology produces a small, natural complex that binds EGCG together and is designed to help it to cross lipid-rich intestinal membranes. This means phytosome technology can help improve the absorption of EGCG by the intestine.
You have just watched this video. Let's look at some clinical studies. This study looks at green tea extract in phytosome to a low-calories diet with treatment of obesity. This study involves 100 overweight and obese male and female, and the duration of this study is 90 days. Based on this study has shown that green tea extract in phytosome form helps support weight loss along with the low-calories diet. There was a 14 kg total weight loss with the green tea phytosome. Only a reduction of 5 kg total weight loss on diet alone. Looking at the next study, this study looked at green tea in phytosome on weight management. The study involves 98 overweight, obese, female and male, and the duration of the study was for 24 weeks. This study has shown that green tea extract in phytosome supports weight loss along with low calories and exercise. With green tea in phytosome, low calories and exercise, there was 11.8 kg total weight loss. And another study on waist size. The result has shown that green tea in phytosome helps support waist size reduction along with low calories and exercise. So you can see from these studies that green tea extract in phytosome helps in weight loss, fat loss, and waist size. Now I bring you to brown algae, also known as brown seaweed, commonly known as kelp. Brown algae is a source of fucoxanthin. Fucoxanthin is one of the abundant carotenoids found in edible brown seaweed. Scientific evidence suggests that fucoxanthin works via mechanisms that improves the body's ability to get rid of fat. I'm sure you love to hear that. Okay? Fucoxanthin shows promise in the treatment and prevention of obesity. According to research review published in 2015, in their analysis of previously published experimental studies, the review's authors found that fucoxanthin may fight obesity in a number of ways. Fucoxanthin may inhibit the buildup of abdominal fat and reduce buildup of fat in the liver. Green tea and brown algae. Benefits in weight management. Increase energy expenditure. Green tea select in phytosome form. Fucoxanthin from brown seaweed. For a healthy weight management and healthy body composition. Balanced nutrition and consistent exercise is recommended. Keep healthy weight management in mind. A safe and sustainable weight loss is crucial to your success. Set a realistic goal. Depending on your overall weight, a loss of just 5% of your total body weight can begin to produce positive health benefits. With the addition of EGCG? EGCG, got it? You could boost up your weight management program. Eat a healthy diet and include exercise. Even a wonderful supplement with EGCG cannot overcome a poor diet or physical inactivity. Supplement the action of your EGCG intake by getting at least 30 minutes of activity per day and eating a healthy balance of carbohydrates, proteins, fruits, vegetables, and the good fats like omega-3 fatty acids for better results in your weight management. And don't forget to choose a green tea select in phytosome form. Choose a green tea select in phytosome form for better absorption of EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate. Include a green select phytosome green tea extract and brown algae, which is designed to help fat loss efforts, also important in healthy weight management when combined with low-calorie diet and regular physical activity. Now let's look at safety of EGCG intake. The European Food Safety Authority, EFSA, experts concluded on the basis of human studies conducted with volunteers under medical supervision that doses of EGCG at 800 milligrams per day may be associated with initial signs of liver damage, while there was no indication of liver injury or doses below 800 milligrams per day from green tea supplements. It's highly recommended that anyone with a medical condition or taking medication to check with your doctor prior to consuming a supplement with EGCG from green tea. Nutrilite brings another innovation. Nutrilite Green Tea Plus Tablet is a dietary supplement that helps supplement the diet with green tea extract. Contains green select phytosome green tea extract, which is designed to help fat loss efforts when combined with a low-calorie diet and regular physical activity. What is the active ingredient in this product? The active ingredient is EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate. Each tablet provides 50 milligrams of green select phytosome green tea. Each tablet provides the active ingredient EGCG, which is 20 milligrams. What is green select phytosome? Green select phytosome, GSP, is a green tea extract devoid of caffeine and formulated in lecithin to improve the absorption of the polyphenol EGCG. What is the purpose for using phytosome technology in this product? Dietary polyphenols such as EGCG tend to be very poorly bioavailable and are not well absorbed into the body. These limitations may reduce the potential health benefits of dietary polyphenols found in green tea. Phytosome technology is designed to help overcome these limitations and to stabilize and deliver this polyphenol like EGCG to the body. Please note that increasing the bioavailability of the EGCG is extremely important, as this signifies more of the polyphenols will reach the body's bloodstream, where the body can then harness the benefits. Without this increased bioavailability, much of the EGCG will not be absorbed into the bloodstream and could be just flushed out through the system without maximum benefit. How should this product be taken? Should it be taken on an empty stomach or with food? The recommended intake is for adults, and it's 1 tablet twice daily, preferably with meals, as part of a low-calorie diet that includes regular physical activity. You can get hold of this video and the slides in e-learning. 3 easy steps. Log into Amway.my, select Information and Education, click e-learning and search for the course. Nutrilite Fight Fat Take Tea Workshop. Join me in video 3 to understand how you can burn and block calories while you also balance your intake and build from within so you look good, feel good. The healthy weight management incentives. The 4 B. Concept. And why fiber?